Alright, we were driving home a little bit ago, and it's trash day tomorrow. So I went through the neighborhood and I saw this stuff here. I'm gonna grab it. So it's like a little cabinet. Looks like somebody tried to work on it a little bit. Cool, cool, cool. And what's this over here? A dresser with a missing drawer. I don't know if that one's gonna fit. I'm gonna take this one home and measure, and we'll see. Dash cam. I'm on my way back to see if I can get that other one. We just went out to get ice cream, and I decided to drive back through the neighborhood to see if anybody had thrown anything out. Looked like everybody was doing spring cleaning. So let's see if I can get this in the car. Driving like this then. Cruising along. This gate open. I got this stuff unloaded. Kind of fortunate to find this stuff. This one I'm probably just gonna take this other drawer out and just make the top a shelf. It's actually made really well. The drawers are dovetail. So this one is really cool. Kind of looked like it was an old radio cabinet or something. But it's got a lot of work that needs to be done to it. Really, to be honest, it's already prepped for the most part. These, I'll put some knobs on. You see the inside. This is, someone has all done that. So, and then there's those. I'm not sure yet what I'm gonna do with this, but I'm sure I can figure something out. So I'll be working on these this week, and I'm still working on this one. I know some of y'all are waiting on part 2, especially you, Cheese, and that one will be done after I hear back from the client as far as what she wants done to the top. If you want to see the videos on these projects here, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. If you haven't already, make sure you hit the bell button also so you'll get the notifications whenever I put new videos up. And I'm gonna do a live stream soon. I don't know when. I was thinking about tomorrow, but that might be too soon. Maybe sometime this week. So keep an eye out for that. Let me know what you think about that, doing a live stream, and if so, what time of day. I'm central time zone, so let me know what you'll think about that, and we'll see what I can do about getting a live stream up. Thanks for watching, guys.